Good morning, students. You all are fine? Fine? Studying at home? Yes? Okay. So, in the last class, we were discussing safety rules at home. Isn't it? Safety rules at home. So, how accidents, in what all types accidents may occur in our home? Yes? For we may fall, fire may cause, electric shocks will be happen, or due to poison, isn't it? So due to all these reasons in our home accidents may occur. So for that what we have to do? We should be careful. Related to all these things we should be more careful. Okay. How we can fall in our home? If our floors and stairs are not in good condition, then toys or any other objects are spread over the floor, spread on the floor, then also accidents may occur. How we may be slipped, we may slip. Okay, then next, liquids, isn't it? On the floors, if there are any types of liquid like kerosene, diesel, petrol, oil, so we may slip and fall. So all these things should be kept in a proper way. Otherwise what happen? We will fall. Then if we have to clean up, what we will use? We will use ladder or chair, and that ladder or chair should be in proper condition. And where there are stairs and doorways, there should be always lighted. Okay. Then next was fire. How fire? Due to gas leakage. Due to gas leakage, then after using the gas, what we have to do? We have to turn off it. Then another way, by knives and blades, and we should keep the liquids reach away from the children. We should keep all these things safely away from the reach of children. And when we are working in kitchen, which type of clothes we have to wear? We have to wear simple clothes. We should not wear nylon clothes. We should not wear nylon clothes. We should wear simple clothes. Okay. So let us study more detail about all these things. So for that, take out your social studies book, open it and take out page number 36. Okay, page number 36. Take out your social studies book. All of you have taken out. Open it and take out page number 36. This page. As we had already studied, read this first one, but still we are going to repeat it once again. Okay. So, lesson 7, safety rules at home, school and on the road. Safety at home. First we are going to study about safety at home. Now keep your finger on your book and you have to read along with me. Okay. Accidents at home are mostly caused by fall, fire, electric shocks and poisoning. So first we are going to study about falls, how it may happen. So falls. Falls are the most common kind of accidents at home. To avoid them, following measures should be taken. So some points are given, according to that we have to do. Okay. So first one, floors and stairs should be in good condition. Floors and stairs should be in good condition. Then second one, toys, shoes and other objects should be picked up and put away, not left on floors and staircases to prevent people from stumbling. So toys, or shoes or any other object, if you have spread here and there, what you have to do? You have to pick it up and you should keep all that things in a proper way so that we may not slip from that object or things. Okay. Then third one, spoiled water, grease, oil and other liquids should be cleaned up as quickly as possible. If suppose we are doing something and some liquid had been fallen on the floor, what we have to do first? First we should clean up that floor. Okay, first we have to clean that liquid so that we may not slip. So we should clean up fast. Then fourth point, when you reach for something high up, use a ladder or a chair. The chair or ladder should be securely placed. Okay, if we are doing something high up, so what we have to use? We use ladder or chair, and that should be in a proper condition. Okay. Then fifth one, stairs and doorways should be well lighted. Wherever there are stairs in your home or doorways are there, what should we have to do? That area should be lighted. That area should be lighted. Okay. Now here see here two pictures are given. First picture is of falling down the stairs. See how the boy is falling down from up to down. Okay, is it visible? See how that boy is falling from up to down. Then second picture is of falling down in the washroom. See how he has slipped and he fall down. Okay. So we should always be careful in bathroom, otherwise we will slip. Okay. So now understood how accidents are happen at home due to fall. Understood? Okay. So these are the points that we should always keep in our mind. Okay. The next is fire. Next is fire. Accidents by fire mostly take place in the kitchen and can cause serious injuries and even death. Okay, so most of the accidents by fire are happened in kitchen and it may cause us injuries or it may be death also. So to avoid this, what we have to do? To avoid such accidents, we should take the following measures. Okay. So let us see what are the points that we should always keep in our mind so that we will be safe. So first you will take out your pencil and underline this word avoid. A-V-O-I-D, avoid. Avoid. Avoid means to prevent yourself from doing something, that is known as avoid. Okay, avoid means to prevent yourself from doing something. Like, what does it mean to prevent yourself from doing something? Like, suppose you know that blade is harmful for me, but then also you are using blade not in a proper way. So to avoid. So that is known as to prevent yourself from doing something. Okay. By knowing you are doing the mistake, that is known as to prevent yourself from doing something, to avoid. You should avoid that. Otherwise, it may cause harm to you. Okay? So, write down the meaning. Written. Now, let us see what are the points that we should always keep in our mind. Okay? First one. When a gas liquid is suspected, no matches should be struck and no electric switch should be turned on. Windows should be opened immediately to let the gas out and allow fresh air to come in. Okay? If suppose in your home gas leakage is there, so what you have to do? You will not light the match. Okay, what you have to do? You will open the window and doors so that fresh air may come in and the smell of the gas it will go outside. Okay, so underline this word leakage. 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 Okay, leakage means an amount of liquid or gas escaping from a container through a hole or a crack, that is known as leakage. Okay, so leakage means an amount of liquid or gas escaping from a container through a hole or a crack, that is known as leakage. Okay, so write down this meaning. Note it down. Now, next you will underline this word immediately. 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 Okay. Immediately means without delay, fast, without delay, that is known as immediately. Okay, so write down the meaning. Okay, immediately means without delay. So, now let us move to second point. Never fall to turn off the gas stoves when not in use. To prevent leaks, stove installation should be inspected periodically. Okay, so when now the gas is not in use, what we have to do? We have to switch it off and we what we have to do then? Periodically means regularly we have to check the stubs, okay, whether there is any leakage or leakage is there or not, okay. So regularly we should check our gas, okay, stub, so that we will be safe. Then next is, third point is, do not wear nylon clothes while cooking in the kitchen. When we are cooking, if suppose we are cooking, we should not wear nylon clothes. We should wear cotton clothes, okay, or simple clothes. But we should not wear nylon clothes because the fire catches fastly in nylon clothes. So that's why it has been said that we should not wear nylon clothes. Then fourth point, knives or blades should be used with precautions, okay. Knives, if we are using knives and blades, what thing we have to keep in mind? We should be very careful while using these things, okay. Then fifth one is, inflammable liquids such as kerosene, diesel and petrol should be kept safely away from the reach of children. So all this, the liquid things should be kept reach out of the children. They should not take they should not take these things, okay. So all these liquid things should be kept out reach of the children, okay. Now underline this word, inflammable. 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 Inflammable means a substance. A substance which easily catches fire, that is known as inflammable, okay. So note it down. So inflammable means a substance which easily catches fire. So all these things should be kept where? Should be kept out so that children may not take it, okay. So all these 5 points we have to keep in our mind so that we will be safe, okay. Now see, one picture is given. What it has? Turn off the gas regulator when not in use. Now she doesn't needs the use of gas, so what she is doing? She is turning off the regulator, okay. So in the second point it has given that when gas is not in use, what we have to do? We have to turn it off. So she is doing like that, okay. So now understood these 2 points, falls and fire, how it may happen in our home, understood. So be careful and what? If you are using anything, we should be always careful, okay. In how falls happen, how floors and stairs should be in a good condition, then toys, shoes or any other objects, all these things should be kept in a proper way. Then kerosene, petrol, diesel or oil, if it has been spread on the floor, what we have to do first? First we have to clean all these things. Then if we are cleaning up, what we will use? We will use ladder or chair, and the condition of the ladder and chair should be in a proper way. Then yes, then last one was, what was the last one? Stairs and doorways should be always lighted. Okay, so these are the points related to falls. And what was the points related to fire? That gas leakage, if there is gas leakage, what we have to do first? First we will open the doors, windows, so that fresh air may get in, isn't it? Then when gas is not in use, what we have to do? We have to turn off the gas. Then we should, while cooking, we should not wear nylon clothes. Then if we are using knives and blades, we should be careful, isn't it? Then all the inflammable things we should keep, yes, we should keep reach out of the children. Okay, I hope these two things you have understood, falls and fire, these two things you have understood now. Okay, so next points we will discuss in the next class. Okay, up till this much you will read at home. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.